Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here to share two journals that I recently made I made them out of it's an old music book, like very old. I don't remember exactly how old it is anymore, but it was the cover to this, and so I just ripped it off and made these two amazing journals out of them. They're chipboard. The cover was chipboard, and it did have some damage. However, I collage podged using this over the top of it. And for the spines, which I got this one a little crooked, but I don't care because I still absolutely love it. This was the front cover, this was the back cover, and they both have two signatures in them. And this one actually has some handwriting. You can faintly see it. I want to say that says paid, but I don't really know. $1.50 for this. And then somebody must have had it in a garage sale, and that was $1. They hand wrote that on there. But I didn't erase anything. I just kept it the way it is because I thought it was so amazing. And this is the back cover. It's piano music. Two signatures. See, the back had some of the paper ripped off, but since I collage podged over it, it won't. It's all nice and good now. But they both have these little elastic, I just put elastic closures on them so they can expand. And, oh my goodness, what was I going to say? Oh, for the spine part, this paper, I used that roll of green paper that I've showed you guys before. This, I want to say it's painter paper. It comes on a big roll, and I just bought a big roll of it from the Bayview downtown here. And that is what I used on these spines to reinforce them because they didn't have any spines, so I built my own. Let's see, I'm just going to go through one of them. They're both almost the same, just slightly different. This one is, like I said, the front cover. And they are 9, I think, by 6. Oh my goodness, I don't have a good ruler here. Let's see. This one, yeah, let's say 9 by 6. Yeah. Excuse me, my nose, my allergies. Okay. And this one, the inside cover has this pocket right here, and it comes with Herman Linda tag and a few of these very old vintage stamp pages. I just tuck that in there, and this paper clip comes off. Come out. And this opens up for journaling. And this is just some extra pieces throughout that I had that I just sewed all together. Some lace and some extra coffee dyed paper and all sorts of bits. And I just stuck that in there so it can be used for layering throughout the book. And these ones are slightly, I didn't really decorate them because I put in 4 of my stuffed envelopes that has so much goodness in them that the 4 of these was meant so that way y'all can decorate this yourself. A DIY type of journal, I guess. These will be DIY journals, do-it-yourself journals. Because I give you everything you need to decorate it yourself. I did put a few pockets in here. There's coffee dyed paper. I did a little bit of stamping. There's cardstock, and I did put a pocket here and a piece of ephemera there. And then this pocket is, there's 2 pockets, and they are connected with fabric, and there's a pocket on the back so you can put more stuff. And it's just loaded with a bunch of goodness. Let's take it all out. There's the pocket. And in the back we have a journaling card, or postcard, and I just layered a bunch of goodness back here. Also, in the very top, there's a big old tag in the very top of this as well. And you get a library card. I don't know why this is feeling really weird. A Tiffany co-stamp on a index card. A doily. And let's poke that up. I like to see all the stuff. This is a paint card from Lowe's, and I just backed it on coffee dyed paper. This smoke and stuff that is burning. Oh, I hope everyone's staying safe. It's so stressful. Very, very stressful. This is on coffee dyed paper as well. And I just stuffed all that. So that is all meant to use to decorate this book with. And then we move along. Some more beautiful pages. This is out of a really old English book that I found at a garage sale. I don't know how old it is, but because the thing was ripped out. But it's super cool. I love it. And then I got 2 pages of that. This is a belly band, so you can tuck one of your tags in. And this also has a tag inside the belly band. Just tuck that in there. Nothing in the bag there. This is just stapled on, so it can be used in the book somewhere as well. And in this little baggie, we have 4 little paper snippets that I made. So they can be used throughout the book. I just love this idea. I love this idea. So fun. And here I just have a Read It On leaflet and a big old tag. Another English book, vintage paper. And here's the other side of the envelope. Another envelope, stuffed envelope. And in the back, again, another pocket. And in this one, we have another doily. Let's see. Excuse me. Another big old tag back there. Oh, I can't get it in there right now. Another postcard. Another piece of ephemera. Another beautiful doily. I just folded it in half so it would poke out over there. Another one of these chip tags. Oh my goodness, this is an envelope. Telemarketers calling me. Oh, I'm getting really tired of those, I'm telling you. They left me 5 messages while I was gone this morning. Another little tag there. And then I put the doily here. We have this piece of ephemera. Actually, I think I did that wrong. I think I'm going to stick that back there. That's here. Oh my goodness. They're telling me if my Apple device, they want me to call them. I'll call them all right, but it ain't going to be what they want me to call them. They're making me so angry. And then we have all of those little cuties. Isn't that cute? I'm going to throw this phone over there. I don't want to hear it. We have this. That's pretty paper. Another doily. And then we're into the next signature. And it's kind of laid out the same way. I have a very old vintage postcard here. And this is a little, I put some Velcro on it, and it's a pocket, so you can put ephemera in there. And then in this pocket, we have 3 little journaling cards, or in that bag. Sorry. And over here, I just clipped this on. There is a butterfly and an index card, and on the other side, you get a coffee dyed index card and a non-coffee dyed, and a coffee dyed envelope, the butterfly, and a little flower. And I just clipped it on like so. Put this under there. The little flower right there. one goes over here. And then you can use all of that to decorate your book as well. Another pocket right here. And I won't take all the ephemera out of these ones because I want to go through that other little bit. This I will, though. I made a little tiny booklet out of this little postcard. So cute! Anyways, there's lots of little goodies right here so you can decorate your book with. Another big old index or journaling card in there. I just want to put one in there so y'all know there's a place for goodies behind these big stuffed envelopes. Little Tsunami Rose right there. Rita flip. Nothing in this part of the bag. Saving that for you guys to decorate. A big old index card there. And in the back, this opens up as the other one does. And then there's another Her Melinda tag right there. Yeah, that is the front cover journal. And then you just flip that on there. And that is your closure. I love this so much. And each one of these will come with another baggie of goodies, which has buttons, washi tape, index cards, seam binding, 5 yards of lace, and just random little things as well. So that is that one. I don't know. I'm just going to call these front cover and back cover. That's what I'm going to call them. So if you're interested, you can just say you're interested in the front cover or the back cover. But this is this back cover one. Oh, I love it so much. I almost like this one better because it has the more wear and tear. And I won't take everything out of this one because it's basically the same as that one, only, you know, like this is different snippets of paper and, you know, but basically it's the same thing. I'll just flip through it really quick. And this, just different papers, that's all. This is another little pocket. This one's different. This one has music paper. There's that big stuffed envelope right there. All those goodies to decorate your book with. And this, again, has a pocket back here. This one has a big tag right there. And this one has the 4 paper snippets to decorate with. Oh, we're having such a windstorm here. It's so scary. The lights, I'm afraid the lights are going to go out. This one has an old vintage botanical page in it. These have pockets. Pocket here. Rita Donnelly flip there. Whoops. Here. Book. Pocket here. And all of these goodnesses to decorate with. Tuck spot journaling card. It has the guest check clipped in. And these 3 little ticket things there. Another stuffed envelope for decorating. I love these. They're so cool and they're so fun to make. This one, another Rita flip, and 2 pieces of ephemera here. They pretty much have the same thing. They're just laid out a little differently. That's all. Nothing in this bag. And this is the belly band with the little journaling tag in it. If I can get it back in there. It goes in and out pretty easily, actually. And then here's the big journaling card tucked in, and the other bunch of ephemera to decorate. The pocket there. And this is the same. It's got a butterfly, index card, and an envelope. And on this side, the flower, the envelope, and the index card. Index card. This opens up and it has a Hermelinda tag. And it looks like this one didn't glue down, so we're going to glue it down right now. Actually, can't be having any of that coming off. No, ma'am. But these both are available right now. And if you are interested, please contact me on my Facebook page. I will give you all the information on her. And yeah, I hope y'all are staying safe and have a wonderful day. And yes, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye.